Today, the focus of my presentation is data and governance. Dear viewers, please watch the entire video. At the end of the video, there are MCQs based on the presentation. Dear viewers, let us first try to understand data and governance. Data plays a crucial role in modern governance, affecting policy-making, decision-making, and the overall functioning of governments at various levels. Effective governance relies on the collection, interpretation, and utilization of data to inform policies, monitor outcomes, and ensure transparency and accountability. Here's a detailed exploration of the relationship between data and governance, with a focus on data interpretation. 1. Data collection for governance. Data sources. Governments collect data from a wide range of sources, including census surveys, administrative records, social media, sensors, and more. These sources provide valuable insights into various aspects of society, including demographics, healthcare, education, and the environment. Data quality. Ensuring data accuracy and reliability is essential. Governments invest in data validation, verification, and cleaning processes to maintain high data quality standards. 2. Data for evidence-based policymaking. Informed decisions. Data interpretation is at the core of evidence-based policymaking. Governments analyze data to understand current conditions, identify trends, and evaluate the impact of policies and programs. Policy formulation. Data interpretation helps policymakers assess the effectiveness of existing policies and develop new ones that are data-driven and tailored to address specific challenges. 3. Monitoring and evaluation. Performance metrics. Governments use data interpretation to establish performance metrics and key performance indicators, KPIs. This allows them to monitor the progress and outcomes of projects, programs, and services. Accountability. Data-driven monitoring and evaluation mechanisms hold governments accountable to the public. Citizens and stakeholders can assess whether government initiatives are achieving their intended goals. 4. Transparency and accountability. Open data initiatives. Many governments have launched open data initiatives, making government data accessible to the public. Open data promotes transparency and allows citizens, researchers, and businesses to use and interpret government data for various purposes. Data privacy and security. Governments must also ensure that data is protected, respecting privacy rights and maintaining security measures to prevent unauthorized access. 5. Crisis management. Data in emergencies. Data interpretation is critical during crises such as natural disasters or pandemics. Timely data analysis helps governments respond effectively, allocate resources, and mitigate risks. 6. Social and economic development. Resource allocation. Data interpretation informs the allocation of resources, including budget allocation for healthcare, education, infrastructure, and social services. It helps governments prioritize areas of need. Economic planning. Governments analyze economic data to formulate policies that stimulate economic growth, reduce poverty, and address income inequality. 7. Public engagement. Citizen feedback. Governments encourage citizen engagement through surveys, feedback mechanisms, and social media analysis. Data interpretation of citizen feedback helps improve public services and responsiveness. 8. Data ethics and governance. Ethical considerations. Governments must uphold ethical standards in data collection, storage, and interpretation. This includes protecting individual privacy, ensuring data accuracy, and addressing biases in data interpretation. 9. Challenges and opportunities. Data literacy. Building data literacy among government officials and the public is a challenge. However, it is also an opportunity to empower individuals to interpret data effectively. Technological advances. The advent of big data analytics, machine learning, and artificial intelligence presents opportunities for governments to derive deeper insights from data. 10. International collaboration. Data sharing. Governments collaborate internationally to share data on global issues such as climate change, infectious diseases, and humanitarian crises. Data interpretation at the international level informs coordinated responses. Dear viewers, let us solve some important multiple choice questions from the presentation. Question 1 is, what is the primary role of data interpretation in governance? A. Data collection. B. Data validation. C. Informed decision-making. D. Data storage. Correct answer is C. Informed decision-making. Question 2 is, what do governments use to assess the effectiveness of projects and services? A. Data validation. B. Performance metrics. C. Data privacy measures. D. Data collection. Correct answer is B. Performance metrics. Question 3 is, why is transparency in data sharing important for governance? A. It simplifies data collection. B. It fosters public trust and participation. C. It reduces data complexity. D. It protects data security. Correct answer is B. It fosters public trust and participation. Question 4 is, during a pandemic, how can data interpretation assist governments? A. By predicting future pandemics. B. By assessing the effectiveness of vaccination campaigns. C. By ensuring data privacy. D. By eliminating data bias. Correct answer is B. By assessing the effectiveness of vaccination campaigns. Question 5 is, what ethical consideration is essential in data interpretation for governance? A. Data visualization. B. Data privacy and security. C. Open data initiatives. D. Data collection methods. Correct answer is B. Data privacy and security. Thank you. Don't forget to subscribe to my YouTube channel Education and Teacher Education at Shokin Bilal.